With the sound of a gunshot, 250 million brothers and sisters set off at the same time, embarking on a grand swimming competition. Their common goal is to find the egg. Of course, only one sperm can successfully fuse with the egg. Once the outer zona pellucida of the egg is breached, its surface immediately changes, to prevent other sperm from entering. Immediately afterward, the tail of the sperm automatically disintegrates, leaving only the head containing the father's DNA to fuse with the egg, which contains the mother's DNA. In the end, a fertilized egg with 46 chromosomes is formed. This is the seed of human life. Over the next 3 to 5 days, the fertilized egg begins an intense pattern of division, going from 2 cells to 4, then from 4 to 8, forming a small, continuously growing ball of cells. With the help of muscle contractions in the fallopian tube wall and the movement of cilia, it travels toward the uterus. After reaching the uterus, the embryo slowly attaches itself to the uterine wall. Once implantation is successful, the embryo can obtain nutrients from the mother and continue to develop. Now, here comes the key point. How are twins formed? If, within the first few days after the fertilized egg is formed, this cluster of cells splits into 2, like copying and pasting, and becomes 2 completely identical embryos, this results in identical twins. These 2 embryos possess almost identical genetic material, just like 2 little clones, but each will develop its own placenta, amniotic sac, and other structures. In the end, when they are born, they will be 2 babies who look almost exactly alike and even have nearly identical blood types. But sometimes the ovaries release 2 eggs at the same time. And by chance, each of these eggs is fertilized by a different sperm, resulting in 2 separate fertilized eggs. This is what we call fraternal twins. Since they are formed from different eggs and sperm, their genetic material is not completely identical. Just like regular siblings, except they develop in their mother's womb at the same time and are born together.